Good morning, students. Welcome to your computer class. In our previous class, we learnt how to convert a binary number into a decimal number. In this class, we will learn to convert a decimal number into binary number. Now, let us see the procedure of converting a decimal number to a binary number. What we will do, suppose we have to convert 85, that is a decimal number, into a binary number. So first of all, we'll do repeated division by 2 and we will just record the remainders what we are getting. So divide it by 2, we'll get 42 and the remainder will be 1. We'll also keep the record of the remainder. Next, the same process will be followed. 2 and then answer will be 21 and the remainder will be 0. 2, 10, remainder will be 1. 2, 5, remainder will be 0. 2 and then remainder will be 1. Again divided by 2, then the answer will be 1 and the remainder will be 0. And then how we will write it? We'll write it from the bottom up side. Okay, from bottom we'll start and we'll move towards the up side. Okay. So what is the first one? It is 1, then 0, then 1, then 0, then 1, then 0 and then 1. So 85, which is a decimal number, its binary equivalent will be 1010101. Okay. Let us take another example. One more example we'll take. Let us take 60. This 60 is a decimal number and we have to find the binary equivalent of 60. So we'll follow the same procedure as we had followed earlier. Repeated division of 60 by 2 and we'll keep the remainders also, record of the remainders also. So 2 and then it will be 30 and the remainder will be 0. Again 2, it will be 15, remainder will be 0 again. This time 2, 7, remainder will be 1. Then 2, 3, remainder will be 1. 2, 1 and then remainder will be 1. Once again I'll repeat, you please follow. So what we have to do? We have to do a repeated division of 60 by 2. Okay. So 60 divided by 2 we get 30 and then remainder is 0. Again, whatever quotient we'll get, again we'll divide it by 2. So 30 divided by 2, answer is 15, and then your remainder is 0. 15 divided by 2, answer is 7, remainder is 1. 7 divided by 2, answer is 3, and the remainder is 1. Again 3 divided by 2, your answer is 1 and remainder is also 1. So how are we going to write it? We'll write from, again as I explained you, from bottom to up. So it will be 1, 1, 1, 1. 4 times 1 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then zeros, 2 zeros. So your answer will be 60 in decimal is equal to 111100 in binary. This is your answer. Okay. Let us take one more example to make it more clear. Okay. These all you have to practice, children, by your own self. Then only you will be able to understand. Merely by seeing you will not be able to understand. So you have to practice it. Let us take an example. 100. So 100 is a decimal number. We have to convert it into binary. Okay, so we will follow the similar process. Repeated division by 2, and we had record the remainders. So 2, it will be 50, remainder will be 0. 2, 25, remainder will be 0. 2, 12, remainder will be 1. 2, 6, 0. 2, 3, 0. 2, 1, 1. So again the bottom up approach. Okay, so we'll write from the downside up. It will be 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. So the decimal 100 is equal to 1100,100 in binary. Okay, so this is the binary equivalent of 100. Okay, so binary equivalent of decimal 100 is 1100,100. Okay, there are a few questions given in your book. Please do it, and I will upload homework also in your dashboard. Please see the homework and please do it. Okay, so today's class I end it here. We'll meet again in the next class. Thank you, children.